I was actually gonna make a logo that looks something like this. Maybe we have some time. There's no rush on anything, right? I was thinking of starting off with this, show you guys the process of how I make a logo. Why not, right? It's gonna be from scratch, but obviously using a reference. How about we do? Well, we make our own here. We make our own. Let's do 800 by 800. Let's do one artboard. That's fine. RGB. Boom. It's just gonna be used as a reference. Right, so we can get this going. Now, what I want to look for is a font that looks similar to this. What looks like that? What looks like that? Let's see. Ooh, this is kind of close. Orbitron black. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Nope. Nope. I think the one we had before might be the closest we can get to it. How about this outform? Oh, actually, I kind of like this one. Yeah, I'm kind of digging this. What do you guys think? So we're gonna go ahead and create an outline. So this will help me mess with the edges a little bit. So let's see. Okay, so we're gonna take this. And take this edge here, right? I'm gonna extend it like that. I don't know if I like that look. I mean, that's how it looks right here. So ugh, that's a big gap though. That's a huge gap. Maybe we push these two shapes closer together like that. Yeah, a little better. I like that. And then actually this thing here has one. Go up here. Yeah. Oh, come on. Line up. Line up a little. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. But I think that's I think we're looking extra crispy right now. Move this a little closer. I kind of like it. I don't know if I like the distance on this one. There we go. Let's see. What would happen if I do? So let's group this. So we're gonna put it into one group. That way we can add the background, the black stuff, like this, right? So we're gonna actually change the color of this to white so I can see, or a different color. Let's try yellow. Boom. So we're gonna take this whole group. We're gonna do. Actually, do I like the layout? Put the logo here, like where the wrench is, or where this thing is. Kind of like that idea. Okay, let's do that. A little bit of Pathfinder right here. Right, we combine the shapes. Boom. Let's try this now. Let's go ahead and what the hell? Okay, good. And then we're gonna copy, paste in the back. We're actually gonna take this. We're gonna lock it. Take the one behind it, and then path, offset. Let's do by 7. Do a little bit of this. How's the P.F. Chang's, by the way? I forgot to ask. Is it delicious? I actually never had P.F. Chang's. Now that I think about it. I'm gonna combine the shapes here. Boom. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right? No headache. There you go. That's what we want. Because then, what we're gonna do is we are going to take. So we're gonna take a circle. Make a circle, boom, and then we're gonna take a square. Where's the square at? Right here. Rectangle, square like this, right? And let's align these two. Align tool, boom, boom, center. We're gonna take this. We're gonna copy it in front. We're gonna rotate it, boom. How many does this have? Okay, so it's okay. That's actually a little too big. So we're gonna take the ranch again. Make it like this. Delete this one. Yeah, it feels about right. Make it shorter also. Boom. Zoom in. Take this. Copy forward. Rotate 90 degrees. Boom. Copy again, copy forward, rotate again. How about this? Nope. And how about this right here? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So then we take the shape shifter, combine all these shapes, yada yada yada. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Now it's one shape. Easy. Now I'm gonna take my logo, move it to the front, right? Go like this. Expand it a little. I don't know why I rotated it early. That's okay. Actually, as a matter of fact, let's bring it up again. Right around there. Boom. Take these two, align them. Right, and then we're gonna rotate them together. Easy. Boom. And then what we're also gonna do is might as well take the color from the shape, right? Just like that. And then we won't add the blue outlines yet. That'll probably be the next layer. Actually, I should probably do that before I do the black. Right? Okay, there we go. Boom. Group these two and then move it up here, and there we go. That's it. Logo is complete. Oh, right. Logo is complete. All right, enough of this. So there you go. That was an hour's worth of logo creation. So pretty complicated process. Once you get the hang of it, though, it gets a lot easier.